안녕하세요, 박 선생님입니다. So this week you guys have the same learning target that's gonna last until Friday. We're going to learn about the tongue tip 자음 or tongue tip consonants and the complex vowels, complex 모음. Okay? So just to recap, we learned the 5 basic consonants in the last 2 weeks. This is 기역, 니은, 니음, 치오, and 이응, right? So 기역 is the tongue back sounds, and from here we had 키읔 and 쌍기역. Then we also went over the open throat sounds, which is the 이응. From there we learned about 히읗, right? So this week we are going to focus on the tongue tip sounds, 니은, and the different variations of it. The way we group the consonants, by the way, it's all based on the pattern of the pronunciation and the pattern of your mouth and tongue that's being used to making the sounds. So it's happening in similar ways. They have the similar shapes, and it's all happening in following the similar pronunciation patterns. So just to introduce tongue tip sounds. 니은 is a representative of it, and your tongue is raised to touch the roof of your mouth when you speak. So 니은 is right there. And we're going to talk about 니은 and 리을 today. And tomorrow we're going to talk about the rest of them. Okay? So let's start with 니은. 니은 can be represented by N in alphabet, English alphabet, guys. And if I were to combine this 니은 with different types of vowels we learned, the basic ones, it's gonna be like this. 나, 냐, 너, 녀, 노, 뇨, 누, 뉴, 느, 니. Okay, so moving on to 리을. 리을 can be either L or R, and I'll explain to you why in the following slide. But just to combine them with basic vowels as we've done before, it's gonna be like this. 라, 야, 러, 려, 로, 료, 루, 류, 르, 리. Okay? So the thing about 리을, guys, there's no R sound in Korean, so we use 리을 to record R sounds as well. So in actuality, when it's pronounced, 리을 is closer to the L sound. Okay, so I have two names down here just to demonstrate how it works. Okay, let's start with bread. Bread in Korean will be pronounced as 브레드, and I'll tell you why. Okay. So in order to write the English names in Korean, guys, the first thing you need to do, you need to break down the sounds into distinctive syllable blocks. Okay, I know bread, if you clap it, bread will be just one syllable in English, but not in Korean. Because we have, if you notice, bu sound, that's a B right there, right? So that's the standing alone consonant, and since it cannot stand alone on its own, we have to add the vowel at the top. So that's pu. Next on is ra part. So that's the R represented as 리을 here. 레 at the bottom. And then do sound again. That's a standing alone consonant right there. So we have to add vowel once again here. So we are done with pu, re, ti. Okay? So that's how you say Brad Pitt in Korean. That would be Brad Pitt. Next one is Roy. Okay? Roy again has R in the front. It also has just one syllable if you clap it. Just clap it once, right? In English, but not in Korean because you have to break it down into more distinctive blocks. Okay? So you break it down. That's going to be the first part, Roy part. And then the second part will be the E part. So combined together, R represented as 리을 on the top, okay, and you have the O vowel right there, 로, and then the finishing Y sound, E. Put them together, you're gonna have 로이, okay? So those are the two names beginning with the R, or having the R. transcribed into Korean using L, 리을 sound. Okay? So for tonight's 숙제, guys, make a flashcard as we have done before with the 4 corners for this word. Okay? It means raccoon in Korean. And it already uses all the things we learned before. So just make one for today and bring it to class tomorrow. Okay? 감사합니다.